Hello. Am I now nervous? Yes. Do I look good though? I'll say yes. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, baby. How you been? I hope you've been well. Hope you're staying away from this shitty lettuce shit. You know, I hope you're taking very good care of yourself. I've missed you. Welcome back to my channel. Sina, your very inconsistent bestie. We're working on it. I say this every time. Y'all know I mean that. You know I mean that. I be trying. I'm not sure when you guys will get this, to be honest, why I just brought up that virus. I might get this in like 2 years and then I'm over here like anywho's, babes, welcome back. So today we have this look. That's what we came up with, inspired by this little guy. Honestly, I'm just gonna reintroduce you guys to this series. 2 years ago, I bought one of those little kits that has a bunch of those little D thingies. And over the past couple years, I've opened a few. I've done a few makeup videos. I've done one makeup video, but I've opened a few of these. And the whole idea was for us to like open them together. I have videos of me opening them, so you'll still be opening them with me. But when you guys get this in order, no, this is actually gonna be the first episode you see. So you're probably gonna see like, I won't say baby me, but a couple year ago old to me pop up in some videos at some point, or I might just redo those because I'm creative. Will I find the footage? I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you love it. I hope that you have fun. These are gonna be quick short little videos. You guys will be getting no face beating. Face will be done. And we're just gonna give a little, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Something simple, something small. I love you guys. I need to go and finish the color series as well. Stop doing makeup series if you can't finish your channel. Damn.
Hey babies, editing Sina here. So I felt as if I did not explain that well last night, so I'm gonna hop in here just to walk you guys through what we're doing. So I went and I got this little box thing. I'll put it on screen, and I have been opening each little capsule, and I've been letting that decide what our makeup challenge for the day is. So right now we're opening this together, and then we'll go into our next portion, which will be makeup. I felt as if this would be a good way to take a bit of the control over fully deciding what my makeup looks were gonna be, because that was the part that I was struggling on. I'm like, I want to do this, but I want to do this, but I want to do this, and it's like, honestly, let somebody else decide. And I love me some rocks, and I wanted to feel like a little archaeologist. I'm not recording this again, guys. I swear. I love y'all. Y'all know I can't talk. All right, I got it right the first time, but I didn't like what I said before. I'm not doing it again. Take number 7 is the one. I love y'all. I hope that you enjoy. I'm gonna play some music now. If I have anything else to say, I'll be back. Welcome to Authenticity Tapes episode, I don't know what at this point. This could be the night of your life. This could be the
Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure that you drink your fucking water. Oh my god, especially if you got that goddamn poopy damn thing. You probably dehydrated. Go drink some fucking water. Right now. Alright, I love you. Bye.